Welcome to Kids Learn channel.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did. It was about animals. Did you finish yours?
Not yet. I still have to draw a picture of my favorite animal.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's your favorite animal?
I love pandas. They are so cute and fluffy. What's yours?
I like lions. They are strong and brave.
That's cool. Did you know lions are called the king of the jungle?
Yes, and I read they live in groups called prides.
Wow, I didn't know that. What's your favorite subject in school?
I like science because we do experiments. What about you?
I love art class. I like drawing and painting.
That's awesome. What do you like to draw?
I like drawing flowers and animals. What do you like to do for fun?
I love riding my bike and playing soccer.
I like riding my bike too. We should ride together someday.
That would be so much fun. Do you play any sports?
Not really, but I like jumping rope.
That's cool. I'm not very good at jumping rope.
I can teach you. It's easy once you practice.
Thanks, Lily. By the way, are you excited for the school trip?
Yes, I can't wait. We're going to the zoo, right?
Yes, I want to see the giraffes. What about you?
I want to see the elephants. They are so big and amazing.
Did you know elephants use their trunks to pick up food and water?
That's so interesting. I read they can even spray water to cool off.
I also want to see the penguins. They're so funny when they waddle.
Me too. I think penguins are so cute. Do you know what you'll bring on the trip?
I'll bring my camera to take pictures. What about you?
I'll bring snacks and a notebook to write about the animals.
That's a great idea. We can look at the pictures and notes later.
Yes, it'll be like making a little zoo storybook.
I love that idea. Let's work on it together after the trip.
Sure, we can add drawings too. It'll be so fun.
I can't wait. Let's make it the best trip ever.
Agreed. Do you think we'll have time to see the zebras too? I hope so. Zebras are so cool with their stripes. Did you know no two zebras have the same pattern? Really? That's so interesting. I'll draw one for our zoo storybook.
Great idea. I'll try to take a good picture of one too.
Oh, and we should write a funny story about the penguins. They're so silly when they waddle.
Yes, let's do that. Maybe we can imagine them having a snowball fight.
That would be hilarious. Do you think we'll have time to feed any animals?
Maybe. Sometimes zoos let you feed the goats or birds. I'd love to do that.
Me too. I'd want to feed the parrots. They're so colorful and smart.
I heard parrots can learn to say words. Imagine one saying, "Hello, Lily."
That would be amazing. I'd laugh so hard. Do you think we'll have lunch at the zoo?
Probably. I hope they have ice cream. That's my favorite treat.
Mine too. We should get some if it's hot that day.
For sure. What else should we pack for the trip?
Maybe sunscreen, a hat, and a water bottle. It might be sunny.
Good idea. I'll bring my backpack to carry everything.
Perfect. This is going to be the best school trip ever.
I think so too. I'll tell my mom about our plans tonight.
Me too. I'll ask her to help me pack my things.
Okay, Lily, I have to go home now. Let's talk more tomorrow.
Sure. See you at school, Ben. Bye.
Bye, Lily.